Hey guys, this is Dinesh for TheTigerTek.com here with an unboxing of the iPhone 4 from Apple. The iPhone 4 comes in two different models, 32 and 16 GB. The one that I have here is the 16 GB unlocked version. Yes, you can get this unlocked in Canada since all four major carriers in Canada carry the iPhone 4. Before I unbox this bad boy, let me just give you guys a comparison as to even the box design that Apple is going for. As you know, with all the new products, Apple seems to reduce their carbon footprint by reducing their box. With the iPhone 4 compared to the 3GS, it's just a bit smaller than the 3GS. Not a heck of a lot of difference, but somewhat of difference. Without any further ado, let's go ahead with the unboxing. I already actually had to open the phone since Apple had to activate it at the Apple Store. So there's the phone. The phone's screen size still remains the same at 3.5 inches, yet it has this gorgeous new Retina display which has a pixel density of 960 by 640, which is amazing, and it's probably the best looking screen I've ever seen on a smartphone. So let's go ahead and take the phone out. I'll put the phone to a side and we'll take a look at that later. Let's go ahead with unboxing. So it's made in California. There's the pin to take your SIM out. So there we have fingertip manuals and all the other manuals that comes with the usual iPhones, and there are some Apple stickers as well. Put that to the side. We have a USB power outlet, power jack, and this is where the USB that connects into it. You can charge and sync as well. And here we have the headphone jacks that also has the mic, and you can also control your volume with it as well, and answer calls. So that's about it. That's everything that's inside the box. Just the usual iPhone box and all the accessories that you get with it. Now let's take a look around the phone. So at the front we have the front facing camera. I believe it's 1.3 megapixel, which is decent, and the speaker grill, and what you can see is an ambient light sensor and a 3.5 inch display, home button which also doubles as the multitasking button as well. If you double click you can run multitasking. At the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the second mic for noise cancellation, and the power and lock button. At the back we have two speaker grill and a 30-pin connector for your syncing and charging. On the left hand side we have the slider mechanism that you can slide to activate vibration or silent mode, and we have the volume up and down button. If you can see right here, it's a black strip. That black strip is the new controversial antenna design which utilizes the outer band as the antenna. So this is the split, that rubber piece or that black strip splits the antennas. The right hand side of the iPhone is less busy. All it has is just a SIM card tray which utilizes the new micro SIM which all the carriers and all the new phone manufacturers are going for instead of your regular SIM. The back side of the phone has his new all-glass design. Steve Jobs, Apple CEO, claims that it's more durable and it can resist more drops than plastic. I actually do like the design, even though it is a fingerprint magnet. Just like all the previous iPhones, the battery is built in, so it's not interchangeable. But it does have a talk time of 7 hours on 3G, 14 hours on 2G, and 6 hours data usage on 3G, and if you're going to go with Wi-Fi you get 14 hours data usage on 3G. So it is a bigger battery than the 3GS, but we do have to put these claims to a test just to see how it works in real life situation. So the back houses the new 5 megapixel camera and the LED flash. The 5 megapixel camera can do video recording 720p HD, which is one of the best out there, and you have an Apple logo and the iPhone signature logo. So that was just a quick hardware tour. Now let me just go ahead and power on the device. So it does utilize the new 1 GHz A4 chip. So it's fast just like the iPad. So there it is, slide to unlock. The iPhone 4 is a total new departure from the existing iPhone platform, including the 3GS and the 3G. It has a new industrial design, including some new features: the front-facing camera, rear-facing 5-megapixel camera, the new Retina display, very nice, very bright and vibrant display, and also a gyroscope and all sorts of other stuff, including preloaded. It comes with iOS 4. Just to give you guys a size comparison, let me bring out my iPhone 3GS and my Nexus 1. Nexus 1 is Google's phone. As you can see, out of the three, the iPhone 3GS is much thicker than the iPhone 4, but the Nexus 1 and iPhone 4 is very close. I would say the iPhone is a bit thinner, the 4. Let me take out the iPhone 3GS and we'll just do a quick head-to-head with the iPhone and the Nexus 1. As you can see over here, Nexus 1, the iPhone killer. We'll see about that with the new iPhone 4. Now let me just turn on both devices just so you can see the display quality. The Nexus 1 has a 480 by 800 display, which is an AMOLED. The iPhone 4 is much brighter actually. I think I have the iPhone 4 on the lowest setting and the Nexus 1 on the highest setting. So that's just a quick comparison, but I will be doing a head-to-head battle with both of these phones. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you want more details in regards to the iPhone and other technologies, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, or visit my website, TheTigerTek.com. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. And if you do like this video, please thumbs up. That really does help. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.